തിരുനാഥാ ശരണം ശരണം മമ ഗുരുവേ കൃപ നീ തരണം അടിയങ്ങൾ നിൻ തിരുമുൻപിൽ ഒരു മനമോടെ. തിരുനാഥാ ശരണം ശരണം മമ ഗുരുവേ കൃപ നീ തരണം അടിയങ്ങൾ നിൻ തിരുമുൻപിൽ ഒരു മനമോടെ. നല്ല ദൈവമേ നന്ദിയോടെ ഞാൻ തിരുസന്നിധി കൈതൊഴുന്നിതാ. നല്ല ദൈവമേ നന്ദിയോടെ ഞാൻ തിരുസന്നിധി കൈതൊഴുന്നിതാ. ശരണം ശരണം മമ ഗുരുവേ കൃപ നീ തരണം അടിയങ്ങൾ നിൻ തിരുമുൻപിൽ ഒരു മനമോടെ. തിരുനാഥാ ശരണം ശരണം മമ ഗുരുവേ കൃപ നീ തരണം അടിയങ്ങൾ നിൻ തിരുമുൻപിൽ ഒരു മനമോടെ. നല്ല ദൈവമേ നന്ദിയോടെ ഞാൻ തിരുസന്നിധി കൈതൊഴുന്നിതാ. നല്ല ദൈവമേ നന്ദിയോടെ ഞാൻ തിരുസന്നിധി കൈതൊഴുന്നിതാ.
The students of today are the visionaries and torchbearers of tomorrow. A great morning to all. The investiture ceremony is one of the most important ceremony of the school. Investiture ceremony signifies the reliance and confidence that the school consigns in the newly invested leaders. Leaders also pledge to bestow their duties to the best of their abilities. We believe that the child-centric approach will surely frame a responsible citizen ahead. So, I take this splendid opportunity to welcome Reverend Sister Gracie Thomas, the principal of our school. I also extend my hearty welcome to the teaching and non-teaching staff as well as all my dear friends. It brings me immense pleasure in welcoming all of you to this special day of investiture ceremony. As the former head girl of the school, on behalf of school cabinet members, I would like to extend my heartfelt gratitude to the school management, staff, as well as all my dear friends for your great support and coordination in this session, which made this session a memorable one. I am glad to congratulate the newly elected leaders, Master Yash Jaiswal and Kumari Palak Jangir. We wish you all the best and we look forward seeing you exhibit admirable leadership skills in this session 2021. So, our young charming leaders are ready to be invested. Now, let us proceed to begin the most coveted virtual investiture ceremony 2021.
Leadership is about showing up at your best. If your actions create a legacy that inspires others to dream more, learn more, and do more, then you are an excellent leader. Now, we have come to the most awaited moment of the day, the giving away of the badges to the Student Council members of the academic year 2020-2021. The newly elected school head boy, Master Yash Jaiswal. Yash has proved his balancing efficiency through academic excellence. He is a prompt and obedient student during the previous academic years. Here, Yash will receive his digital badge. Congratulations, Yash. We wish you a grand success. Now, the head girl of the present academic year, Kumari Palak Jangir. She considers hard work and well-disciplined approach the strength that leads to achieve various laurels. She is a dancer and her academic excellence proves her diligence and dedication. Palak receiving her digital badge. We wish you success in all your initiatives. Congratulations, Palak. Next we have the deputy head boy of the academic year 2020-2021, Master Shivam Satpute. Shivam is a quick learner. He believes that teamwork can make all the difference. Now, Shivam will receive his digital badge. Congratulations, Shivam. We wish you all the best. Next, we move to the newly elected deputy head girl for this session, Kumari Sakshi Sanap. Sakshi participated in various co-curricular activities and has great faith in leadership skills. Sakshi receives her digital badge. Congratulations, Sakshi. May you be successful in all your endeavors. Let's move to the house captains for the year 2020-2021. Now we have the house captains of Lotus House, Master Rajpal Chaudhary. Here, Rajpal receives his digital badge. Congratulations, Rajpal. Good luck. Lotus House captain from girls section, Kumari Komal Meshram. Komal receiving her digital badge. Congratulations, Komal. We wish you all the very best. Next, we have the captains from Sunflower House. From boys section, Master Yash Jambule. Yash will receive his digital badge. Congratulations, Yash, and best of luck. Now, the girls captain of Sunflower House, Kumari Surbhi Kamble. Surbhi receives her digital badge. Congratulations, Surbhi, and wish you all the best. Next, we have the house captains from Taman House. From boys sections, Master Raj Golecha. Raj receives his digital badge. Congratulations, Raj. Have a great captainship ahead. Taman House captain from girls section, Kumari Anushka Gulgunde. Anushka will receive her digital badge. Congratulations, Anushka. We wish you good luck. Now we move towards the house captains of Jasmine House. Master Shreyash Khanke from boys section. Shreyash receives his digital badge. Congratulations, Shreyash. We wish you all the very best. Kumari Vidhika Khadke, Jasmine House captain from girls section. Vidhika is receiving her digital badge. We wish you success, Vidhika. Congratulations.
I do solemnly promise to discharge my duties to the best of my abilities. I shall not misuse my power. I shall try to work for excellence in every sphere of activities.
I, Kumari Palak Jangir, do solemnly promise to discharge my duties to the best of my abilities. I shall not misuse my powers. I shall try to work for excellence in every sphere of activities.
I, Shivam Satpute, do solemnly promise to discharge my duties to the best of my ability. I shall not misuse my power. I shall work for excellence in every sphere of activities.
I, Sakshi Sanam, do solemnly promise to discharge my duties to the best of my ability. I shall not misuse my power. I shall try to work for excellence in every sphere of activities.
I, Rajpal Chaudhary, do solemnly promise to discharge my duties to the best of my ability. I shall not misuse my power. I shall try to work for the excellence in every sphere of activities.
I, Komal Meshram, do solemnly promise to discharge my duties for the best of my ability. I shall not misuse my power. I shall try for excellence in every sphere of activities.
I, Yash Jambude, do solemnly promise to discharge my duties to the best of my abilities. I shall not misuse my power. I shall try to work for excellence in every sphere of activities. Thank you.
I, Survi Kamble, do solemnly promise to discharge my duties to the best of my ability. I shall not misuse my power. I shall try to work for excellence in every sphere of activities.
I, Rajgulaksha, do solemnly promise to discharge my duties to the best of my ability. I shall not misuse my power. I shall try to work for excellence in every sphere of activities.
I, Anushka Anandkumar Gungunde, do solemnly promise to discharge to the best of my ability. I shall not misuse of my powers. I shall try to work for excellence in every sphere of activities.
I, Suresh Kanke, do solemnly promise to discharge my duties to be the best of my ability. I shall not misuse my power. I shall try to work for excellence in every sphere of activities. Thank you.
I, Kumari Vidika Khadke, do solemnly promise to discharge my duties to the best of my abilities. I shall not misuse my powers. I shall try to work for excellence in every sphere of activity.
Thank you everybody. Presenting before you the Cabinet of the Academic Year 2020-2021. Now, our beloved Principal, Reverend Sister Gracie Thomas, will address the students.
Good morning and congratulations to the Student Council of 2020-21. A warm welcome to our dear students, teachers, parents and well-wishers. We are absolutely delighted to have all of you with us for the first online investiture ceremony. I think this is the first time our St. Anne's High School Sundana is having this virtual investiture ceremony for the year 2020-21, because 2020 has really pushed us to try out all these new things due to lockdown. I take this opportunity to congratulate all the leaders for taking this responsibility of leading the school from the front row with their commitment, confidence and competence. Your positions holds power, but this power is meant to serve the others with responsibility. So what is expected of you is to work for the cause, not for applause. Don't try to make your presence noticed, just make your absence felt. Live a life to express, not to impress. Stay powerful, stay responsible, stay together. All the best. Thank you.
Gratitude makes sense to our past, brings peace for today and creates a vision for tomorrow. I would like to express my gratitude towards our principal, Reverend Sister Gracie Thomas, all beloved teachers and my dear friends who made this virtual investiture ceremony a memorable one. I am so grateful to all my friends for electing me as head boy by giving their valuable votes. I will try my level best to become a good leader. Thank you.
A good leader's courage to do things comes from passion, not position. Hello everyone. A warm greetings to all of you. Today, I may fall short of my words to express my emotions and gratitude for the pleasure I have received today to be the head girl of the school. First of all, I would extend my sincere thanks to our principal sister, teachers who thought me capable to be the head girl of this prestigious school. Also, I thank our non-teaching staff. Last but not the least, I thank my all student friends who trust in me and put their faith in me. So let's together take our school at the higher levels of success.